I'm Carl Conroy. I'm a sophomore at St. Olaf College, and I've been volunteering at Bridgewater Elementary on Thursdays with a second grade math challenge group, and Tuesdays at St. Dominic's with the first graders doing just kind of general teacher's assistance work. It's during their math hour, and so it's really been nice. I don't think I would have been able to get there without the Van Gogh service, especially Bridgewater being across town, and it's been nice. I really like working with the kids. It's for an education class that I've been taking. I don't remember if I already said that, but it's been good. I can tell, especially on Thursdays, the math challenge group that I get to work with is always just very excited to be getting a chance to step out of the classroom and work on something different, and I think that it's helped me to learn more about what it means to be an educator.